guys, my name is Victor. I'm here to update you on the information of Tropical Storm Harvey, which is currently positioned in the Gulf of Mexico, technically 23 degrees north and 93 degrees west. It is moving north-northwest at 10 miles an hour. It is a low-pressure system located right around here. You guys see my cursor here? I'm just trying to figure out pinpoint my device, but I can't really get the thing to work. But anyway, right here we are looking at ocean temperatures. Ocean temperatures are ranging anywhere from 84 to around 89 degrees in the Gulf of Mexico, which is perfect fuel for the fire for the hurricane to move on up and strengthen rapidly. Texas is going to be, of course, the most affected state. As of right now, it is Thursday morning around 9:30 a.m. Here we are looking at a surface map. The little high pressure is off to the west. We have low pressure off to the east. The high pressure is going to be crucial for the steering of the storm. Not super crucial, but it's going to have some kind of effect to the storm. This stationary front is going to continue on pastward, kind of slowly move on southward. And we have this huge area of low pressure. It's around 995 millibars and steadily dropping. It is getting stronger by the minute. The max sustained winds right now at 9:30 in the morning is about 60 miles an hour. I think by noon or late this afternoon into this evening, probably within the next 8 hours or so, it's going to be strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane, which is winds around 79, 80 miles an hour. Huge concern for Texas. The cities that are going to be mostly affected by the storm range from Mansfield, Texas to Matagorda, Texas. Of course, this is a hurricane warning, and it includes most of the area of Texas right here, right along the coast from around. You got Houston up here, we got Corpus Christi around here. Houston's going to be the largest inland city that's going to be affected. Storm surge, of course, be the main factor, especially in the low-lying areas here. The promising thing about this is that once it hits landfall, which is around around Saturday, late Friday, I think it's gonna be like a brick wall when it hits the land, because just like any normal storms, from entering the sea, it gets weakened by land. If it has no water to get its moisture from. Right here we see Houston, I think all the way from Galveston, Beaumont, all the way down to Corpus Christi, Rockport. All these cities are going to be affected, and of course the closer you are to the shore, the higher the storm surge. Please take this hurricane into major precaution. I cannot rule out the fact that it probably be even classified as a Category 2 hurricane by the time it reaches landfall late Friday night into Saturday morning. Right here we are looking at the current satellite imagery of the hurricane. Well, right now it's a tropical storm, but soon to become Hurricane Harvey. Of course, moving in this general direction. I don't know if you guys can follow my mouse here. And looking at the radar, the current radar here, we're looking around Corpus Christi and Kingsville and all that. You can already see the direction of the wind from the northeast rather than from the southwest, and which is indicating the fact that there is a hurricane on its way, and the winds are already changing, going from the northwest, or the northeast, I'm sorry, and it will highly impact the area that you see here, like I showed you earlier. So it's going to be a pretty rough weekend for Texas here. Temperature is going to be in the 80s, low 80s, probably like 84 to 88 degrees in most areas, and of course, lots and lots of rain. Of course, the closer you are to the path of the hurricane, which is around Corpus Christi, Kingsville, Rockport, that's going to be most rain falling. And major factors to keep in mind is the further away you are from the shore, the better off you are. And there's a lot of computer models suggest that it's going to head west after it hits the land. Some computer models suggest that it's going to hit directly north, and some computer models are just going to shift right along the coast, maybe kind of, go all the way up to the northeast here, and then go north and fizzle out as a low pressure system. But I think it's gonna hit. I think it's gonna hit around this area right here, and it's gonna, of course, weaken and then it'll most likely go to the north. Hard to tell from right now. It's currently way down in the Gulf of Mexico, rapidly strengthening, and like I said, take precautions. Don't take this as a joke. And if you live in Texas, just be careful. So, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. And stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.